Welcome to AP Forex Trading. It's 10th of March 2021, 11:51 p.m. Indian time. We are looking at GBP/USD daily chart. You can see that as we have said yesterday that we are expecting a bullish candle. Here we have got a bullish candle. So what happened today is market yesterday night fell down, came here, and this was a resistance turned support where the market price has found some support and then went up, came down, went up. This is what happening. It's bouncing over these moving averages in the 1 hour time frame. And if you can go to the 5 minute chart, you can see that the price simply came down, opened here, market opened here today, and then it was below the moving averages, above the 200 EMA but below these moving averages, so no buy setups. Came down, this was a proper sell setup, so we took an entry here. Then market went straight up to where you can see that the price did not came below these moving averages, hence we have taken no another sell entry. Price went completely above these moving averages, came down and rejected here. We got an entry here, so we got an entry here and we got an entry here, and after that we just closed for the day, because after I achieve my profit points or target points, I don't trade for the day. That's makes me easy to read the market, and it's always said that if you keep working, trading and trading and trading the whole day, it makes your brain tired. It makes me actually tired, so I decide a target that I have to get at least 200 300 points a day and then close for the day. If the market is not good, then it's better to stay out. If the market is very good, moving and trending in the higher time frame, like this one, moving very nicely in the higher time frame, like this one, in that case you can go for more entries. But in these cases, consolidating and consolidating stuck in between resistance and support, it's not uh, very good idea to trade the whole day. Just take 2 3 entries and get out. So what we're expecting for tomorrow, I'm expecting another bullish candle here. If this level is broken, you can see that this is the level. If this level is broken, there is buy entry. There will be a buying power in the market. There will be a, we are going to see a buy movement and GBP/USD up to here or maybe up to here. But if you can see here, the price is still trying to break above this resistance from the last 2 days. Yesterday also tried to break this out, fake, then came down, tried to break below, find a support, went up, came down, went up. So again the market has stuck here. So we are going to see what is happening in the 5 minute chart. What we are going to do tomorrow is we are going to same plan, above the 200 EMA in the 5 minute chart, buying GBP, same setup, buying setups, and below the 200 EMA in then sell setups. But I'm expecting a bullish candle, again a bullish candle here. But be careful, if the price comes below the 200 EMA, I'll go for sell. And if the price stays above the 200 EMA and above these moving averages, then I'll go for buy GBP/USD.